authentic Nigerian meat pie recipe. Welcome to a culinary journey through flavors of Nigeria. Today, we'll be exploring the beloved Nigerian meat pie, a delicious pastry filled with meat and vegetables, perfect for any occasion. So, roll up your sleeves, sharpen your knives, and let's dive into this savory delight. Ingredients. For the dough, all-purpose flour, 1 cup cold butter, diced, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a cup water. For the filling, pound minced meat, beef or turkey, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 medium carrots, diced, 2 medium potatoes, diced, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon thyme, salt and pepper to taste, a quarter cup water, 1 egg, beaten, for egg roll. Prepare the filling. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing until translucent. The minced meat to the skillet, breaking it apart with a spatula. Cook until browned. Stir in the diced carrots and potatoes, followed by the curry powder, thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook for another 5 minutes. Pour in the water, cover the skillet, and simmer 15 to 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded together. Remove from heat and set aside to cool. The dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the diced cold butter and use tips to rub it into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Add cold water flour mixture, mixing until a dough forms. Knead the dough gently on the surface until smooth. Divide the dough into equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let rest for 15 minutes. Assemble the meat pies. Preheat your 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius and line a baking with parchment paper. Take 1 portion of dough and roll it out into a circle, it with parchment paper. About 1/8 inch thick. Use a pastry cutter or a round bowl to cut out circles from the dough. Place a spoonful of the meat filling onto each dough circle, leaving a small border around the edges. Brush the edges of the dough with beaten egg, then fold the other half of the dough over to create a semicircle. Press the edges together firmly to seal, then crimp with a fork to create a decorative edge. Place the assembled meat pies onto the prepared baking sheet. The tops of the pies with beaten egg for a golden finish. Bake and serve. Bake the meat pies in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or the tops of the pies with beaten golden brown and crispy. Remove from the oven and let cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your Nigerian meat pies warm or at room temperature, either as a snack or as part of a meal. There you have it, authentic Nigerian meat pies bursting with flavor and tradition. Whether you're craving a savory snack or planning a festive gathering, this delicious pastry is sure to delight your taste buds and transport you to the vibrant streets of Nigeria. So, gather your loved ones and savor every bite of this culinary masterpiece. Bon appétit!